Hey, it's Matt here from Henry Shine. Just doing you a quick video how to install the new Vita library, tooth library. So essentially you've got your dental system there, and then you've got your control panel. So if I just minimize this. So within the control panel, you know how you can go in subscription dongle, grab your dongle number, send an email to 3Shape support. So support@3shape.com. Get them to add on the Vita library onto your dongle. So if you come into your control panel, if you go into download center, and then in here, if you choose download libraries, it'll take a little bit to download. So what happens initially when you go into the download libraries, it's got all your denture teeth up the top. But if you scroll down, the Vita libraries down the bottom. So these are all the ones that I've had added. Can you see how they're black? And then everything else is grey. So this Vita pan one here is down the bottom. Usually it's down here and it's greyed out. So once 3Shape support, add that library onto your dongle. It'll then pop up here. Then you just have to tick it and then come over here and hit import. And then literally it's going to be the library that you can choose.